Guys, huge news for HamShackTV. I've got a new partner. Let's talk about details. Hey everyone, Josh here, AA4WX from HamShackTV, and I've got some really exciting news to share today. HamShackTV has a brand new partner, and who is that partner? Nobody else but Gigaparts. Yes, that's right. HamShackTV is now officially partnered with Gigaparts. I had the privilege of meeting Robbie, the owner of Gigaparts, at the Huntsville Hamfest, and after a great conversation, we decided it was time to team up. And guess what? That partnership begins right now. And this is exciting, guys. First thing that we're going to do is now, if you use my code at checkout, you will earn double reward points. So when you shop at Gigaparts, if you enter a discount code at checkout, HamShackTV, you'll earn 2 times the reward points on your order. That means more savings faster. So here's how it works. If you go to gigaparts.com, go ahead and register for an account. It's really easy to register for an account. You just do it right up here. Right up here, you can see I'm already logged in. But you'll see a create an account button up there. Go in there and register for an account. It doesn't cost you anything. That way you've got it already set up. And that will be where your rewards go to. For every $1 you spend, you earn 1 point. And then using my discount code at checkout, that'll double. So you're going to get $2 or 2 points for every $1 that you spend at Gigaparts. Now, keep in mind, Gigaparts also gives a 2 times reward point automatically on new ICOM and Yaesu radios. But that promo isn't stackable with the HamShackTV code. Still, though, they're both great ways to rack up rewards fast. So once you've built your reward points up, you can redeem them for some serious savings. You can save 25% on select 25% on select items in the Connect Reward Center. Also 35 points on select items, and even 50% off on select items. It's all about how much you collect your points. This means every purchase you make at Gigaparts not only lets you get the gear you want today, but also builds up rewards that save you more down the line. So again, I want you to head over to gigaparts.com, load up your shopping cart, and don't forget to use the discount code HamShackTV to get your double points at checkout. This is just the beginning of our partnership with Gigaparts. I cannot wait to bring you more exclusive offers, reviews, and opportunities as we move forward. So guys, really, really cool stuff coming up here. If you're not familiar with Gigaparts, Gigaparts is a technology superstore, and they're based in Huntsville, Alabama. You can go back a couple of videos ago and see the video that I did, the most recent trip into Gigaparts. Really well-ran store, really clean-looking store. It's just a fantastic place. But they've got amateur radio gear, but they also got maker supplies and computer gear and other technical items, like photography gear, toys and gadgets, and even some aviation gear. Guys, this is incredible. Now, I know most of you come here for amateur radio stuff, so that's fine. Let's take a quick look at some of the amateur radio gear that they have available there at Gigaparts. And there we go. So they got brand new gear here, the FTDX10, IC7610, IC7300, the 991, the Kenwood TES590G, all the usual suspects that you would expect. Quite a bit of stuff here. So again, remember, if you get double points irregardless whether you use HamShackTV or not on new ICOM and Yaesu gear. So don't think that would apply to an open box, but You know, you've got other options there. Maybe you need some coax. Well, guess what? We now have access to Messi and Poloni coax. The website's a little slow, and it's not because of the Gigaparts side. It's because of me. I'm sharing the screen. So that's a little bit of the trouble there. But we now have access to Messi and Poloni coax. You can see that right here. Messi and Poloni coax is the best coax on the market, guys. We have access to them. You just go on there, go to coax, and then on the left side here where it says brand, you'll hit view all and just grab Messi and Poloni coax. Got some Wireman and Shark stuff as well. Really incredible stuff. The antennas, GMRS stuff, CBs, transceiver accessories, amps, receivers and scanners. They've even got software and stuff. Now, here's one thing that I am excited about. Radio programming software. Just get it loaded up here. I'm really excited to be able to offer you some options when it comes to RT systems. I'm a huge fan of RT systems. There's not one single piece of software that I have bought from RT systems that has failed me. This is fantastic stuff, guys. You can get your double points on this. Just click on the well, where did it go? Somewhere in there. Software and PC interface. Just go through here and check it out. Gigaparts.com, guys. I think you're going to like what you find. If you want to build a computer, if I was getting ready to build my own computer, guys, I would definitely go to Gigaparts. They've got so much computer stuff, it's not even funny. Great store, great prices, fantastic opportunity. And I cannot thank Gigaparts enough for entrusting me to get the word out there for them. Really excited. We've got some more stuff coming up from Gigaparts in the not so distant future. Remember, we are on the drive for 10,000 subscribers, and as soon as we do 10,000 subscribers, we're going to give away an HF radio, and it might be from Gigaparts. More details to come. Thanks for watching, guys. HamShackTV at checkout and Gigaparts. 73s, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. AA4WX WSCB 693.